Hello friends, so today we are going to study what's inside electromechanical relay and how this relay works in the projects or circuits. So this is 12 volt electromechanical relay which we are going to use in today's demonstration.
So to demonstrate the working of this relay, I am going to use this battery along with the cap, this 10 mm LED along with the 100 ohm resistor, because if you will directly provide power supply from this battery to this LED, it will burn out, but if you use this resistor, then it won't. This is multimeter and this is relay. So there are 5 pin on this relay, 3 pin in the upper direction, 2 pin in the lower direction. If I talk about the pins, this is normally closed pin and this is normally open pin. As soon as you will provide power supply to these 2 points, this one and this one, because it's 12 volt relay, so as soon as you will provide 12 volt or 9 volt on these 2 points, this one and this one, or on these 2 pins, then this normally closed pin will be open and this normally open pin will be closed with this pin. So this pin, actually this is the common pin, so this pin is connected to this pin when there is no power supply, but as soon as you will provide power supply, so this pin will be connected to this pin and the connection between this and this will be open. Let me demonstrate this using multimeter and LED. Now you can see that this pin is connected, okay, and if I connect it to this one, then there is no connectivity here, connectivity. So this is normally closed pin. Now I'm going to give the power supply to these 2 pins, then you will see. Now you can see that there is no connectivity. Just remove the power supply, one leg. Now you can see that continuity is there. Just give the power supply. You can see that. Now if I'll place over here, now you can see that there is a, sorry, now you can see that continuity is there. So this is how relay is working. Let me show you this with the LED. Now you can see that negative of the battery I have connected to the negative of this LED, and the positive of the battery I have connected with the common pin and the power supply pin, and this positive I am going to connect on the normally open pin. You can see LED is glowing because of relay connection. So this is how this relay is working.
Now after giving the power supply, you can hear this tick tick sound. This is actually common plate is connecting from normally closed pin to normally open pin. Now let's break it.